Hello and welcome to our video. In this video, we'll learn about the advantages of using calculated fields as dashboard filters. We will also look at how to collect and modify the calculated field queries, and how to create a new filter by using the calculated field queries. Calculated fields are predefined, ready-to-use SQL queries that you can import into your dashboards without writing any manual scripts. Do you have large data that you want to filter in your dashboard? You can use calculated fields to filter data in your dashboard. For example, without writing any manual queries, you can filter the data of the incident dashboard by the number of open incidents. To get started, hover over the dashboard's icon and select Calculated Fields from the BMC Helix Dashboards homepage. You will notice that the calculated fields are grouped by modules such as Incident Management, Change Management, and so on. Select the appropriate calculated field that you want to use as a filter in your dashboard. For this demo, let's click the Open Incidents calculated field and copy the SQL query. Next, let's customize the calculated fields query to create a dashboard filter. This is a quick look at how to customize the query. To create a dashboard filter, wrap the query as shown here. The double quotation marks must be replaced with backticks, sometimes called backquotes, in the query. Our last step is to create a dashboard filter by using the modified query. For this demo, let's create a filter called Open Incidents in the Incident Dashboard. Click the Settings icon from the home page of the Incident Dashboard. Click Variables, and create a new variable. On the Edit Variables page, enter a name and a label for the variable. Enter the modified SQL query. And then, click Update. There you go. The newly created dashboard filter is accessible from the home page of the Incident Dashboard. Now, you can filter the Incident Dashboard based on the number of open incidents. Look for detailed information in the BMC Helix Dashboards documentation at docs.bmc.com. Thank you for watching this video.